Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to set Fibonacci Retracement tool on your MT5 chart. Okay, so what you want to do is that you look for a swing high and swing low. Okay, so you come to this shape here, add object, then you scroll down, look for Fibonacci Retracement, then you press it, then you connect from the swing high, you just drag, sorry guys, to the swing low. Okay, so that's swing low, and you can, that's basically how to set it, guys. Very easy. Just this shape here, this shape icon, press it, add objects, then scroll down, Fibonacci Retracement, then you just plot from high to low or low to high. Okay, so if you want to know how to use this Fibonacci Retracement tool in trading, just comment in the comment section and I'll make video on how to use it for your entry, exit, and how to perfect your trades with the tool.